Oh yeah, what's going on YouTube? All my rideshare hustlers out there and future rideshare hustlers. Hey, I just want to say thank you real quick for everybody that's watched my videos, subscribed to my channel, supported me, comment on my videos, everything. Even if you're just a viewer and you're not a subscriber, I just want to say thank you. And a special thank you, I'm doing the free dash cam giveaway. This was on pause for a little bit, but it's now back in full effect. Right now, yeah, I got the flag behind me because it's November 1st. Tomorrow is election day here in the United States of America, and in case you're watching from another country. But I just want to say the free dash cam giveaway is in full effect, so make sure you click on the link up in the banner. It's right there. There should be a little arrow pointing down. If not, go to the about section and click on the free dash cam giveaway link there. And if you can't find it there, it will be in the description of this video as well. So, and basically all my videos, because I want to make sure to say thank you to everybody for, like I said, just supporting me and supporting this channel on this journey. So yeah, coming up on Christmas pretty soon, I'm going to be doing 5 dash cam giveaways. So we're going to give away 5 dash cams for Christmas. So make sure you subscribe to the list, okay? Look out for the email, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.